So check out the 70 cell seed tray here. So it's a really nice and large tray. You get 7 rows this way, 10 rows that way. You can use this for planting seeds, for propagating, or however you like to use it. Really nice and convenient because each individual cell will make it easier to pull out the plants later. So you get the tray there. They have a small hole at the bottom for drainage. You get this tray at the bottom as well to collect the water. And then it also comes with this humidity dome here on the top. It's really nice. You can control how much airflow, how much humidity you want there as well. And then it kind of has this kind of a smiley face design there. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but that's kind of cool. So yeah, super nice. Makes it really easy to carry it around. And you get to have a lot of plants in one spot. So really nice quality. If you are looking for some nice seed trays, definitely give this one a look.